Hello, dear students. We are going to talk today about prepositional phrase. Okay, let's revise what's the meaning of preposition. Preposition, it's a word. We use it to connect other words in the sentence together or to connect other parts of the sentence together. And the prepositions, as we said before, that we use them to show either time, location or place, direction to move to where you are moving or to where you are going, or it gives details. Okay, now here we are going to talk about something called prepositional phrase. Now, what's the meaning of the word phrase? It is part of a sentence. So phrase, it is part of the sentence. It's not the whole sentence. Now, why we call it prepositional phrase? Because it starts with a preposition and it ends with the object of the preposition. So the prepositional phrase, it's part of the whole sentence. This part should start with a preposition. So this is the beginning of the prepositional phrase, which is the preposition. And the end of the prepositional phrase is something called object of the preposition. And the object of the preposition, it could be noun or pronoun. That's it. It can't be a verb or an adjective or an adverb or anything else. So again, the prepositional phrase, it's part of the whole sentence. It starts with a preposition and it ends with an object of the preposition. And the object of the preposition, it could be noun or a pronoun. Now, between the preposition and the object of the preposition, we may have adjectives and we may have not. Okay, so between the preposition and the object of the preposition, we may have adjectives, we may have not. Let's see the examples now. And by the way, the prepositional phrase is also used to show when, where, it gives details sometimes, or it shows how something happened. Okay, now let's see. I moved into the store. Where is the preposition here? The preposition is into. This is the preposition. Okay? Now, this is the preposition. Now, where is the prepositional phrase? I moved where? Into the store. Into the store. All of this is a prepositional phrase. So, it starts with a preposition. It should end with a noun or a pronoun, and we call them object of the preposition. So store, here it's the object of the preposition and it's a noun. Okay, and here it's what? It's an article, and you know the article is kind of adjective. Article. So again, the prepositional phrase, it's part of the sentence. This is the whole sentence. It's part of it. It starts with a preposition. It ends with a noun or a pronoun, and we call them object of the preposition. Between them, here we may have adjectives or we may have not. Here we have the article the, and the articles, you know, it's part or kinds of adjectives. So this is the object of the preposition. This is, sorry, the object of the preposition, and this is all the prepositional phrase. Okay, it's not a sentence, it's a phrase, part of the sentence. Okay, look at the second sentence. My friend went with me to the park. Where is the preposition first? Here we have with. This is the preposition. Okay, where is the prepositional phrase that starts with the preposition with? With me. This is only the prepositional phrase that starts with the preposition with. Where is the object of the preposition of this prepositional phrase? Me, it's the object of the preposition. You see here, this prepositional phrase only consists or have the preposition and the object of the preposition. And the object of the preposition here, it's a pronoun. Pronoun, me. Do we have adjectives between the preposition and the object of the preposition? No. As we said, we may have adjectives, we may have not. So this is a prepositional phrase, again, that should start with the preposition here with, and it ends with the object of the preposition, that it could be noun, it could be pronoun, and here it's the pronoun me. You see here the prepositional phrase comes at the end of the sentence. Here the prepositional phrase comes in the middle of the sentence. And by the way, in this sentence, I have another prepositional phrase. My friend went with me to the park. To, it is another preposition. To the park, it is the prepositional phrase that starts with the preposition to. Park, it's a noun and it's the object of the preposition. The, it is what? An article, which is kind of adjectives that comes between the preposition. This is the preposition and this is the object of the preposition, park. So I can have more than one prepositional phrase in the same sentence. So again, I can have more than one prepositional phrase in the same sentence. Again, the prepositional phrase, it's part of the sentence and it starts with the preposition and it ends with the object of the preposition, and the object of the preposition, it should be either noun or pronoun. Between them, I may have adjectives, I may have nothing, or only both of them, the two main parts of the prepositional phrase. Okay, and here, as you see, it comes in the end of the sentence, the prepositional phrase. Here it comes in the middle and in the end, so I can have more than one prepositional phrase for the same sentence. Let's see the next one. The dress. Oh, by the way, sorry, here I moved into the store. This prepositional phrase shows where. Okay, where I am moving. Okay, my friend went with me. Here with me, it gives details. Okay, to the park, it shows where we are going or where we went together. Okay, now the dress with the colorful buttons is mine. Where is the preposition here? With, it is the preposition. Where is the prepositional phrase? Be careful. When you want to decide where is the prepositional phrase, it should start with the preposition, it should end with the object of the preposition, and it could be noun or a pronoun. It shouldn't be the whole sentence, part of the sentence. Now, the dress with what? With the color buttons. So this is the prepositional phrase that starts with the preposition with and the object of the preposition buttons. It's a noun and it's the object of the preposition. You see, it's not the whole sentence, part of the sentence. Now, between the preposition here and the object of the preposition, do we have adjectives? Yes, I have the. It is an article, which is kind of adjectives. Colorful, it is an adjective that of course describe what? Describe the noun buttons, okay? So with the colorful buttons, it is the prepositional phrase that starts with the preposition with and it ends with the object of the preposition buttons and it's a noun, and between them here we have adjectives, okay? And you see here it comes in the middle of the sentence. And here with the colorful buttons, it shows or it gives details about the dress. So as we said that the prepositional phrase could show me where or when or give details or it shows how. Okay, now let's look at the next sentence. In the morning I will call you. Okay, where is the preposition and the prepositional phrase here in this sentence? In, it is the preposition. In the morning, it is the prepositional phrase. Morning, it's a noun and it is the object of the preposition. The, of course, here it is an article, which is kind of adjectives. So in the morning is the prepositional phrase. It starts with the preposition in and it ends with the object of the preposition morning and it's a noun. Between them we have the article the. So here you see the prepositional phrase comes in the beginning of the sentence. So the prepositional phrase could come in the end of the sentence, in the middle here in the beginning, okay? And we here, as you see, we may have more than one prepositional phrase in the same sentence. Now, in the morning, does it show where, when, how, or it gives details? It gives details. In the morning here, it shows when. When I will call you in the morning. Okay, like here, where I moved into the store. My friend went. With whom, here I want details. With me, where, to the park. The dress, give details. With the colorful buttons, is mine. Here it gives details. In the morning, I will call you. Here it shows when I will call you. Okay, now look at the next one. After your nice party, we had the dinner. Okay, now what is the preposition here and the prepositional phrase? After, it is the preposition. Okay, this is the preposition. Now, sorry, after here it's the preposition. Where is the prepositional phrase? After your nice party, this is the prepositional phrase. So after your nice party, it's the prepositional phrase. It starts with the preposition after and it ends with the object of the preposition. Here it's party. It's a noun. This is the object of the preposition. So this is the prepositional phrase, part of the sentence, not the whole sentence. And between the preposition and the object of the preposition, we have what? Nice. It's an adjective, okay, that describe party. Your, here, it's a possessive pronoun. Your, it's a possessive pronoun that shows that party belongs to you, okay? So this is possessive, okay, possessive pronoun that shows that the party belongs to you. So here between the preposition and the prepositional, the object of the preposition, we have the adjective, and also here we have possessive pronoun. So it's part of the whole sentence. And here, after your nice party, we had the dinner. It shows what? Where, when, how, or it gives details. It shows, of course, when. Okay, when we had the dinner after your nice party. Okay, so these are here some examples. Let's take another two sentences. We traveled by the car to Aqaba. Okay, where is here the preposition? By, it is the preposition. Okay, where is the prepositional phrase? Again, the prepositional phrase starts with the preposition. It ends with the object of the preposition, that it could be noun or a pronoun. Okay, by the car to Aqaba, this is the prepositional phrase. It's part of the whole sentence. By, it's the preposition. Here we have two prepositional phrases. By the car, this is the first prepositional phrase. Car, it's the noun and it's the object of the preposition. Okay, the, it is an article. Okay, so this is the first prepositional phrase. This is the first prepositional phrase. And the second one, to Aqaba, this is another prepositional phrase. And here, to, it is the preposition. And Aqaba, it's a noun and it is the object of the preposition. So again, as we said, that we may have more than one prepositional phrase in the same sentence. We traveled, how, by the car, where, okay, to Aqaba. So I have here two prepositional phrases. Each one shows something. How I will travel, or how we traveled by the car. This is the first prepositional phrase that starts with the preposition by and it ends with the object of the preposition car, and it's a noun. Where, to Aqaba. To, it's a preposition. Aqaba, it's a noun. And it's the object of the preposition. It shows where. Okay, the last one, our story is about 3 children. What is the preposition here? About, it is the preposition. Okay, about 3 children, this is all the prepositional phrase. It starts with the preposition about and it ends with the object of the preposition. Here, what is it? Children, it's a noun and it is the object of the preposition. And between both of them, we have 3. And if you remember 3, it's kind of adjectives and it shows how many. How many children? 3. And 3 here, it's an adjective that describes the noun children. So here we have the prepositional phrase about 3 children. It starts with the preposition about. It ends with the object of the preposition children, and they have between them we have the adjective that describes children. So again, the prepositional phrase. Phrase means part of the sentence, not the whole sentence. It starts with the preposition. That's why we call it prepositional phrase, because it starts with a preposition. It ends with the object of the preposition, and it could be noun, it could be a pronoun, and between them we may have adjectives, we may have not. Okay, and here we can have the prepositional phrase at the end of the sentence, maybe in the middle, sometimes in the beginning, and we may have more than one prepositional phrase in the same sentence. We may have 2 or 3 or more. Okay, again, the prepositional phrase could show where, could show when, how, or it gives details, or sometimes it shows how. These are examples of prepositional phrases in the sentences. I hope you understood it, and thank you so much.